Good morning, class. Today we'll learn how native English speakers talk. Instead of saying I am happy, say I'm thrilled. Instead of I am sad, say I'm feeling down. Replace I am scared with I'm freaking out. And instead of I am joking, simply say just kidding. Let's sound more natural. Instead of really, say no way.
No way.
Replace of course with absolutely.
Absolutely.
Instead of maybe, try maybe so.
Maybe so.
And instead of I think so, say I guess so.
I guess so.
Here's another set of useful expressions. Instead of I hope so, say fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Instead of good luck, encourage someone by saying you got this.
You got this.
Replace have fun with,
Enjoy. Enjoy.
and instead of take care, say take it easy.
Take it easy.
Let's practice classroom expressions. Instead of come here, say come over.
Come over.
Replace go away with move along.
Move along.
Instead of sit down, say have a seat.
Have a seat.
And instead of stand up, simply say get up. Before we finish, remember these useful expressions. Instead of look at this, say check this out. Replace listen to me with hear me out. And instead of let's leave, say let's head out. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing English every day.
Clap, clap, yeah, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. If you speak English confidently, people understand you better and many opportunities open for you. Today, let's learn how to sound more like a native speaker. Lob to dronpos, then vordent and trabs. Instead of saying I am going to leave, say I'm gonna leave. And instead of I will be back, simply say I'll be back. Short, natural, and confident.
I'm gonna leave. I'll be back.
Excellent. You're speaking like natives now. Native speakers often shorten their sentences. I want to go becomes wanna go, and I have to go becomes gotta go. Practice these every day.
So, wanna go to the movies?
Exactly. That's perfect. See, it's easy and natural. Keep practicing and you'll sound like a native in no time. Sometimes native speakers use shorter expressions. Instead of saying let me think, say let me think. Instead of give me a second, say give me a sec. These sound more natural and make your English smooth.
Give me a sec.
Friends, welcome. Today we'll learn some everyday questions. Friends usually speak casually. Instead of asking what are you doing, they often say what you're doing.
What you doing?
Instead of did you eat, they say you eat yet. And instead of how are you, try
You eat yet? How's it going?
excellent. Now you try. Native speakers usually shorten these responses. Instead of saying I don't know, say dunno. Instead of I understand, say got it. And instead of I am coming, say I'm on my way. All right, who can use dunno in a sentence?
Dunno. I'll check and let you know.
Excellent. Now, how about got it? Got it. I'll be right there. Instead of saying I have to work, native speakers often say I gotta work. And when you're very tired, say I'm wiped out. These expressions make your English sound more natural.
I gotta work. I'm wiped out.
Excellent. That's how you speak like a native. Instead of saying I cannot believe it, say can't believe it.
Can't believe it.
Invite a friend by saying wanna come?
Wanna come?
And instead of please wait, simply say hang on.
Hang on.
Excellent. You've got it.
Excellence.
Before leaving, remember these expressions. Say catch you later instead of see you later. Say see ya instead of goodbye. And replace that is amazing with that's awesome. Catch you later.
See ya. That's awesome.
Perfect. Have a great day. Every new phrase you learn makes your English stronger. Practice every day, speak with confidence, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. Good communication opens the door to better education, better careers, and greater success. Keep speaking English, and I'll see you in the next lesson.